finished cooking. So, final product. Yan, may kagat ko na siya. And then, I have some plain coffee here. So, today's agenda, I have two classes. So, I have Rad Bio, POI today. And then, I have 3 quizzes for Rad Bio and then 1 quiz for POI. And I don't know if... And we also have lab for POI. So, yeah.
Jay's baby.
So, guys, we're having our lunch.
Bangus with chicken nuggets and then fried egg.
And we have another person here. So, kakatapos lang namin ng first class, which is yung Rad Bio. And huwag nyo nang tanungin kung ano nangyari sa quiz.
3 quizzes.
Pass is pass.
Yes.
POI next. So, ayun. After this, mag-research na kami.
Hindi true or false.
So we are on our way outside the campus to buy food.
So I got cheese stick and maruya. This is my first time eating maruya. So
What?
yes. Oh, what did you get?
I got
Panenek.
Yeah.
So yeah. I forgot the video though. Parang anak ko. Okay. Hindi ba? Tapos video.
Dito muna.
Great.
Ay, nabulsa ko naman.
Yung pala talaga yung pag with grade. Dito ka mataas yung ito na apology letter na. Kami ang thesis of them, guys. Not one, but twice. Magre-colloquium kami. And okay lang.
Hindi
masarap naman yung kinain namin. So wala lang. Parang, yun na yun. Come on, bring it on, bro. Yun na yun.
Itong practical kasi we were more guided.
Yeah, we were more guided. So pag nagre-colloquium kayo,
It's okay.
So,
It's not rejection.
It's redirection. Lahat na ng pagkakas-in. Come on, yun na yun. Oh my God. Bili akong bago kasi I will try different brand kasi lagi na lang ako nauubos. Like every 2 weeks, ubos na kagad kapag Stabilo yung ginagamit ko. Hindi ko alam I don't know if dahil ba madami kaming inaaral or sadyang nasa ano na yun. So, goodbye. Hi guys! So, ngayon Thursday na. Yesterday, pagka-uwi ko, I just knocked out. And then, nagising ko mga 6 na. And dami akong time yesterday. Natulog lang ako. Nagpahinga ako. It's me time. It's me time. Okay? Kasi I need to lock in today. And if nag-aaral ako kahapon, feeling ko magbabagal-bagal ako ngayon. Kasi I need to freaking lock in. Like, super lock in. Kasi we have practicals tomorrow. For POSI, we have 2 practicals. So, that's a major practical and a minor practical. So, I need to lock in, you know? And every time, like, we always have practicals. Like, as in, like, every week, meron kami nun. And even though na lagi kaming may practicals, lagi pa rin kaming kinakabahan. Like, it never fails na hindi kaming kakabahan. Like, every time. Like, even though kabisado mo siya, alam mo yung position and the lesson, even though nag-aral ka, kakabahan ka pa din. Like, kasi ganun siya. Kahirap. Like, nakakaba super. And yeah, that's the goal for today. Yeah. Hi guys, so right now it's Friday and it's practical day. So yesterday I was able to finish naman. And apat pala yung lesson namin. So hindi, buti na lang nagtanong ako kasi kung hindi, I will be so done. That's like an 8 projection. So buti na lang nagtanong ako. So narinig ko yung isa pang lesson.
We got high score.
Yes. Wait lang. I got maxillary sinus and sphenoidal na open pa. I got. Not your right lateral. What is it?
SMV. Yeah.
I just got home. It's already 3:30. And ayun, we had so much fun kanina. Siguro mga 3 hours. Actually, una 2 hours na kami nag-extend pa kami 1 hour kasi masaya. So, yung iba kong klase, nag-ping-pong sila sa other side. So, nag-badminton kami sa Raquetas near our school. So, ayun, super saya niya. And, yun lang, mainit, super init. Tapos yung tubig nila. Lunch kami sa water, and then we ate sa Bonchon, and then we stayed there for 1 hour kasi super pagod, like tuloy-tuloy yung laro namin, walang upo-upo kasi super init din. So, ayun, we had so much fun today, and yeah, I love it. So, maybe uulitin pa natin yun, and yeah.
Break.
7-Eleven.
Hindi kami school. And then, hindi na ulit. Sabak na ulit.
Hey guys! I am Andrea. Mika's friend. Pumunta na mag-sulaman. Mag-discuss kami na, ay, napangit yun natin. For the first time. Ako, yeah, for the first time. I love this. Lalo yung figure na to. Sa akin ito. Si Jamie. Nuggets. Very diet siya. Daw siya kayo sa Iberia. I-advocate na. Okay na diba? Nag-grave ako ng kimchi. Hindi ako makain ng update. Tapos tomorrow may laban kami. And then ngayon, nag-import lang ako kasi nag-order ako kanina. So kailangan din siya i-upload today. So I'm working. Tapos, ayan. Ngayon, nandito pa rin kami kasi hintay namin yung friend namin. Kasi mag-verbosa kami. So, nagpa-picture lang sila. Definitely to practice. Yeah. Dapat mag-verbosa kami para mag-practice. Pero since may agenda sila sa Waltermart, doon sila nagpunta muna. Tapos kami dito magpa-practice para the click. Kasi may laban kami tomorrow. So, ayun. Sobrang pagod, grabe. Time check, it's 5:30.
Oo nga, sir, yan. Sa mababa.
Kakaiba daw sa kanya.
Ang weird. May price ka na.
Gusto ko may flavor eh.
Ba't di mo binili ng flavor?
Di ba hindi mo na nakikita? Diba? Wala na talaga.
One more. Stop over kami sa district. Bibili kami ng pang. So ngayon, ayun nga, kakatapos ko lang maglinis. Siyempre, imbes na mag-review ako, ito, nakipag-usap ako sa inyo. So, ayun na, wala lang, naisipan ko lang mag-talk to talk sa inyo kasi tagal na din since yung last time. Nag-usapan natin yung course na to. So, ayun nga. So, sa mga nagbabalak dyan na mag-radtech, go nyo na, I swear, super worth it siya. And if you're worrying about this, I promise mag-enjoy din kayo. Pero kasi, actually as a person na 50-50 talaga ako before ko kuhanin to. Kasi ang pinaka first choice ko talaga nursing. Tapos nung lumalapit na yung entrance exam, ayun na, nag-radtech saka nursing na ako. Tapos sabi ko na lang, Lord, kung ano yung mapasa ko. Yun na lang. Dito ako napasa. Hindi ako nakapasa ng nursing. So sabi kasi radtech na lang. Ito na ang calling ni Lord. Pero ayun, medyo kasi hindi ako nakapasa ng nursing kasi I think mataas at ang grading or score na kailangan para sa nursing. So, as a person na mediocre lang. If iniisip nyo na mahirap siya, guys, walang madaling course. Okay? Pag pre-med, mahirap naman talaga lahat ng course. So, if you're worrying about sa memorization, ganyan, well, kaya nyo din yan. Kasi hindi naman ako matalino. So, sinisipagan ko lang mag-aral kasi hindi nga ako matalino. Okay? So, ayun, caring nyo yan. And, nung first year ako, actually, for me, super nabigla ako kasi, ang hirap. Lalo na yung pagmamanage ka ng time, ang hirap. Tapos, meron kaming physics nun. At saka, ang daming minor subject, which is, ayoko talaga. Kasi physics saka math in the modern world, ayoko talaga, sis. Tapos, may chem pa. Pero second sem na ang chem. Pero ayun nga, ang hirap. Most of the time, nahihirapan talaga ako sa minor kasi ayoko nga eh. Okay, pero ang major kasi konti lang kapag first year. So, mostly, anatomy, rad pro, intro to rad, ayan, ang mga first year na subject ko, major sub ko. I think 3 lang yun sa first sem. And then, ayun, ang advice ko is, mahalin yun ng anatomy guys. As in, kasi lalo na tayo, doon tayo naka-focus. Especially sa bones. Ayan. And if you're worrying if mahirap siya ang anatomy, actually madali lang anatomy. Ang nagpapahirap sa kanya is madami. Madali lang siyang intindihin pero madami kaya mahirap. Tapos isama mo pa yung sabay-sabay na mga pinapagawa ng minors. Kasi to be honest, in our school kasi, ang dami talaga pinapagawa ng minors. Sila talaga ang pinaka nakakabwisit talaga. Ayan, dyan kami nahirapan. Tapos, nung second sem, medyo chill-chill na lang compared sa first sem. Tapos, super humbling ng second year, guys. Like, kung nahirapan na kayo sa first year, wala lang yan. Patikim mo lang yan. As in. Tapos, nung second year kami, dun kami like super nahirapan. Kasi like, most of the times, 5 days a week kami pumapasok, tapos most of the time mga 7 ako nakaka-uwi or 8, tapos lalo na pag may event sa school, may practice, most of the time mga 9:30 ako nakaka-uwi or almost 10, tapos magre-review ka pa. So, ang hirap mag-manage ng time, tapos pagod ka pa. Ayan, so, ang advice ko, kung senior high ka pa lang or first year ka pa lang, ayusin mo na yung study habits mo talaga. Saka time management mo. Yan. Saka alam mo dapat kung paano mag-work-life balance. Yan. Alam ko, I think sabi ko naman to in my previous video, pero ayun. Tapos, nung second year na, ayan, dito kami na super na humble talaga. For yun talaga. Tapos, nung second year, yung mga subject namin, yun talaga. I mean, masaya ang second year, to be honest. Masaya talaga siya. Pero super gapang. Super hirap. Super nakakapagod. Physically draining. Like, aalis akong walang araw, tapos uwi ako walang araw. So, physically, mentally, talaga. Like, lahat, ipunin nyo na, magpahinga kayo kung may time kayo. Yan, ng first year, yan, magpahinga kayo guys. Tapos second year, ayan talaga, kailangan nyo ng ma-healthy na mental health, emotionally, yan, physically. Second year is yung mga subjects super interesting kasi syempre, dyan na kayo magkakaroon ng laboratories. Masaya yung mga lab guys. Tapos yung mga subject namin noon is kaya din kami late na uwi kasi puro lab kami noon. So, ayun, 3 hours din ata yun or 2 hours. Ang subject namin is film analysis, CDR, ano pa ba? Syempre, POSI, hindi mawawala yan. POSI, tapos basta madami. And, nung first sem, kung tatanungin nyo ako kung ano mas mahirap na rad POSI 1 or POSI 2, to be honest, pick your poison. Pero for me, POSI 1 talaga. Kasi ang POSI 1 is from upper to lower. Tapos, iba-iba yung positions, syempre. Tapos, ang POSI 2 namin is puro head lang. So, medyo same-same sila ng position. Lagi nyo tatandaan, walang course na madali. So, why not try it? Pero, super interesting din siya at the same time. So, maganda mag-rad tech, guys. Pero tiis-tiis lang sa first year kasi boring talaga. Second year, ayan, dyan mapupunta lahat. Actually, depende sa curriculum nyo kasi curriculum namin, meron na kaming rad POSI. So, ang hirap talaga. So, ayun lang. I forgot. Tapos na nga pala yung sports fest namin. And, panalo kayo guys. Champion kami kasi 6 houses yon. One is finals na. So, tapos na ang masasayang araw namin dahil sa sports fest. So, tatambakan na kami. Tapos, finals na. And actually, we only have 3 weeks left. And then, third year na ako. Oh my God. Third year na ako, guys. Ang bilis ng panahon. And then, last 2 sem na lang. Tapos, interns na. Diba? Like, super bilis. Samahan nyo akong mabaliw. Kasi 3 weeks na lang. So, ayun. And then, meron kaming pasahan ng research. Magre-recollect yung kami, guys. Then, ayun na.
Today is May 15th. O, diba ang galing? Big jump. Big jump. And kanina, ang dami nangyari. Ayun nga, last week na ng final. So, talagang big. Ganun. Okay, tapos super busy. Ang dami nangyayari. Super overwhelming. Tapos ngayon, nag-recollect yung kami kanina, which is lalaban lang namin sa hapon na ngayon pa nag-recollect yung namin kanina.
Kung hindi dahil kay Fidel,
thank you! Kung hindi, wala kaming date. Mag-second year ulit kami. The verdict is pass with minor revision. So, this is the funda.
Today's Sunday, and right now, nag-review ako for exam, pero I'll just eat. So, I ordered some Subway. some hash browns, and a cookie. So as you can see, super kalat ang table ko. It's all a mess. So yeah, I need to clean up later. And the whole room's a mess since hindi pa ako naglilinis. And yeah, I'm just going to eat. And we need to grind, like super locked in. Kasi tomorrow ang exam ko is POI, which is nilalamangan na yung POSI. So it's mahirap talaga kasi it's a relationship thing. So yeah, mahirap. And then you have jurisprudence, which is okay lang. So, ayun, sana makapasa. And you know naman na if finals talaga is super nakakatamad na as in pag finals. Especially pag hindi ka naman naghahabol. So, super nakakatamad. And then, yeah, we need to push it all in. Like, bring it on. Ganon. So ayun, we have like 3 days yung exam namin. And, ayun, bukod dun, it's like parang whole week pa rin kaming gagawa. Kasi ang dami na rin output. I think we need to finish 5 more outputs. So, pag isabay mo pa yun sa exam, so talagang ang daming gagawin. So, kailangan natin mag-fuel. So, yeah. Ngayon, kain lang ako and then I'll watch some things. Look at this. Nag-expose kami kanina. This is a PA food. Or AP. That's an AP, I guess. Now, so just got home and right now, our last exam tomorrow is POSI. Yun na lang, last na yun. And then, hayay na. Actually, hindi pa kasi ang dami pa naming output. And then, nag-aayos lang ako. Like, ang dami kong oras. Pero tinatamad na kasi talaga ako. So, kailangan lang namin sagutan to. And then, yung x-ray namin kanina. Nag-lab kami kanina for our POI. This is our last win bout for the sophomore year. So we have a fan lateral and then another one. Hindi, foot pala to. This one's a foot. And then another foot. It's not 10 by 12. So, ayun. This is for our final output. Kaya, nag-lab kami kanina. And it's fun kasi we're all by ourselves. Huh? Hindi! We're on our own. So, yeah. And, parang trauma patient namin si Deborah kasi hindi siya magalaw-galaw. Like, limited lang yung paggalaw niya. So, we have to do some things and be resourceful kasi hindi niya nabibend yung knees niya. So, ayun, nag-cross table kami for the foot. And then, for the lateral, ayan. Ay, maganda siya, guys. So, ayan, that's that. And then, for the exam tomorrow, it's, again, POSI. That's the last fighter. So, I think we have 5. So, I will be back. See you tomorrow.
Ay, tapos na kami mag-POSI. Yippee!
Sa finals natin.
How do you feel? What do you feel?
I feel fucking happy.
Tinapos ko siya ng... Ako pinakamatagal nagsagot pero...
Nauna pa siya sa akin.
Binilisan ko.
Ako din eh.
Guys, 30 minutes pa lang, nasa 16 na ako. Ganun ako excited sumagot. Excited talaga ako, di ko binabasa. Sige, shake! Sa nararamdaman ko na yung alay, mga 60.
Ako din.
Number 60 gumagano'n
Usually, ganun lagi.
Bakit tuwa-tuwa? I'm so happy.
What do you say? How do you feel? How do you feel?
I'm so happy and hungry.
Kwento mo, where we're gonna go.
Hi guys!
Output of our chicken! Output na ng yehey!
Yay!
We're gonna going to switch.
Jack Daniel.
Snow cheese. Cut of our chicken. Yang yum. And then nag-switch kami. Nag-switch kami, okay?
Mahal-mahal na bili mo sa picture. Hindi ka magpapapicture.
Welcome to the bird. Yeah, explain kami pupunta. Sino mag-explain? Sa SM.
We're going to SM last week because we're gonna eat sambusa. Biglaan to. Sobrang biglaan talaga. Marami kami ginawa. Hindi kami kumain ng lunch.
Ako hindi ako nag-lunch.
Sumasakot tayo ng chance ko. Ayan, hindi kami kumain para dito. Kasi 600 to.
So, sige. Pagdating din, magluluto pa.
See you later. Nilalakit ko sana. Sa
Parang gusto mo soft drink?
Ito na to sa'yo.
Okay pa. Oo, gutom na ako.